Thanks, Tom. Keep up the great work on campus. Now to our top story. The recent storms brought some much needed rain to our area, but it also came with a whole lot of wind as well. Many homeowners have discovered a variety of damage to their roofs due to the wind and fallen trees. One of particular interest is at Harry Dog's house. Yep, the storms damaged Harry's roof. Luckily for Harry Dog, he knew just who to call, Dr. Roof. Dr. Roof was out to Harry's house in no time and got right to work. After a thorough inspection, Dr. Roof completed the repairs, and Harry's roof once again has a clean bill of health. When you find yourself in the same boat as Harry Dog and need roof repairs or a new roof, call Dr. Roof. They never cut corners because they know everything precious is under your roof.